Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic dream. It's here, and it's transforming how we live, work, and create. From chatbots writing essays to self-driving cars and AI-powered healthcare, the world around us is being reshaped by algorithms and data. But with all this change, one big question remains. What does this mean for your career? How can you prepare for a world where AI is part of every job? In this video, we'll explore the top AI trends shaping 2025 and beyond, the new jobs emerging in this space, and how you can prepare to thrive in the age of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has moved from research labs into everyday life. Companies are now building AI systems to improve customer service, speed up production, personalize marketing, and even assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. According to global reports, the AI industry is expected to exceed $1 trillion by the end of this decade. That means one thing: the demand for people who understand AI or know how to use it effectively is skyrocketing. But while AI creates opportunities, it's also transforming job roles. Tasks once done manually are now automated, and that's forcing workers to adapt and upskill. The future won't belong to robots alone. It will belong to humans who can work with AI. Let's look at the biggest trends shaping the world of AI today. Trend 1. Generative AI everywhere. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway have changed the way people create. AI can now write scripts, design logos, edit videos, and generate realistic human voices. Businesses are integrating generative AI into their workflows to boost productivity and creativity. Trend 2. AI-powered automation. Automation is no longer just about robots on factory floors. Office tasks, data entry, customer support, and even coding are being assisted by AI. This trend is driving demand for roles like AI project managers, automation engineers, and AI trainers. Trend 3. AI in healthcare and science. AI is revolutionizing medical research, drug discovery, and patient care. Doctors can now detect diseases earlier, and researchers can analyze massive datasets in seconds. This opens the door for careers in bioinformatics, AI healthcare analysis, and medical data science. Trend 4. Responsible and ethical AI. With the power of AI comes serious responsibility. Concerns about data privacy, misinformation, and bias are growing. As a result, organizations are hiring professionals focused on AI ethics, safety, and governance. Trend 5. AI in education and training. Education is being personalized like never before. AI-powered platforms can adapt to a student's strengths and weaknesses in real time. This creates opportunities for AI educators, instructional designers, and learning technologists. These trends show that AI isn't taking over, it's evolving with us, and those who adapt will lead the next generation of innovation. So, what kinds of jobs will thrive in this AI-driven world? Let's break it down into 5 main categories. Category 1. AI research and development. These are the innovators creating the algorithms and technologies behind AI systems. Common roles include machine learning engineer, data scientist, and AI researcher. Skills you'll need include Python, data analysis, and deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Category 2. AI application and integration. These professionals bring AI into real-world products. They work as AI product managers, software engineers, and automation specialists, applying existing AI tools to solve business problems. Category 3. AI creativity and content. Writers, designers, marketers, and video creators are now working alongside AI tools to produce high-quality content faster. The key skill here isn't coding, it's prompting or giving AI the right instructions to get the best output. Category 4. AI ethics, policy, and compliance. With AI impacting privacy and fairness, governments and corporations need experts to ensure AI systems are safe and ethical. If you come from a legal, social, or philosophical background, this could be your niche. Category 5. AI support and education. Finally, as more companies adopt AI, they'll need people to teach and support others in using it effectively. These roles include AI trainers, customer success specialists, and learning facilitators. The message is clear. You don't have to be a computer scientist to work in AI. You just need to understand how to use it. So how can you prepare yourself for this new job landscape? Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. Start by understanding what AI, machine learning, and data science actually are. You can find free online courses on Coursera, edX, and Google's AI Learning Hub. Step 2. Build technical literacy. You don't need to be an expert programmer, but learning Python, Excel automation, or basic data visualization can go a long way. If you're a creative, practice prompt engineering, experimenting with AI tools to generate text, images, or music. Step 3. Strengthen your human skills. Ironically, the more advanced AI becomes, the more valuable our human abilities are. Focus on communication, emotional intelligence, problem solving, and creativity. Step 4. Get hands-on experience. Start small. Automate a simple daily task using AI. Create a project, or build a mini portfolio showcasing your skills. Employers want proof that you can use AI effectively. Step 5. Stay updated. AI is moving fast. Follow tech blogs, newsletters, and creators who explain the latest AI tools and breakthroughs. Make continuous learning a habit. The rise of artificial intelligence isn't something to fear, it's something to embrace. Those who learn, adapt, and innovate will not only survive this transformation, but lead it. The future belongs to people who understand how to collaborate with technology, not compete against it. So start today. Learn, experiment, and prepare yourself for the exciting world of AI. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a future-ready career.